Hei og velkommen til min episode 80, tror jeg det var, av Minecraft. Ja, vi skal få i gang dette. Oh shit, 36 iron ingot. Du har mer med. Yeah, nasty. Ok, men jeg har oppdatert den til 1.7.2, så we are pimpin. Det har kommet sånne nye blomster og alt det der, hørte jeg i hvert fall. Det er fett. Og så nye fisker. Det er dritfett. United, we are stronger. Yeah. Grunnen til å lage det er på grunn av kan kanskje lage snart golden apples. Har vi funnet diamonds? Nei, fordi da må vi jakte etter diamonds, folkens. Men først hva var det jeg skulle gjøre, Sjøins? Hvor er chesten min? Der er han. Lol. Jeg kan ikke engang huske hvor chesten min er. Ja, my brain. You know my brain. So smart. Aki wood. Så vi må egentlig gå og sove og choppe litt wood. Åh, jeg har faktisk diamonds. Woohoo! Hæ? Hva skjedde der? Ok, sånn. Nå sover vi, folkens. Ok, sånn. Ja, jeg måtte kjøpe wood. Det var det jeg måtte gjøre, folkens. Da går vi og gjør det. New work, norsk Minecraft. La oss gå. Jeg føler det er litt laggy. Litt dårlig. Ja, ok. De bare, my face, his face is so ugly. I die. De disser meg, de bare, I die. Rasist! Hva søren var det getting wood, da? What the gamble? Okay. My brain, man. Yeah, we are chopping some wood to get some sticks going on. På full grafikk, boy. Har jeg tekstpakken? Ja, det har jeg. Men det går ikke an å ta det på. Ja, det er bare noe dritt. Hva skjedde med Minecraft-musikken? Det er faktisk ganske bra. Damn it. Okay, let's go and mine our races. Can I get in? Thank you. Okay. Sticks. Jeg bare bruker den vanlige texture-packen for nå. Vet du hva? Jeg lager faktisk 2 stykk. To be sure. Then now, let's go and mine our asses. Yeah. Keep this up, because we need to be safe at that shitty place. I need to raise this roof. This roof is very uncomfortable. Me no like. Yeah, me no like. Where am I gonna jump? Oh my lord! Are you following me? No, little shit, you. Adu! Jeg står med vann, Enderman. Har jeg ikke noe? I'm out of here. I'm a region. Så dør nå, klikker jeg. Jeg er så redd. Skeleton? I think he burned to death. Stupid shit like him. Det var nær på. Plutselig kommer Enderman og smukker meg opp, vet du. Fy smukken. Jeg må inn her. Se, diamond straight up. Ok, gravel straight up. Takk for den. United, we are stronger. United, we are stronger. I need torches. Hvorfor har redstone på meg? My brain. Let's get some sticks going on. Yeah. 43 torches. More than enough for me. Now let's mine. We're gonna mine. Fasten tacotis. I be at 2 kids with the palm them. Michi one better and fasten more tacotis. Yeah, we need some coal. I be at 2 kids with the pumpkin. Look, you better run. Fast stay in my pocket. I be at 2 kids with the pumpkin. Yeah, we get this party on, huh? Og så kommer mora med ind og bare siger sådan, shut the smoke up! Jeg bare, Kom igen da! United, we are stronger. Yeah, get some flint going on. Stop the gravel thing. Me no like. I am Nikolai. Irons. Yeah. Men jeg skjønner ikke helt hvorfor jeg fikk den der achievement getting good når jeg gjorde det på 1.6. Ja, fordi jeg er på 1.7.2. Okay. But still, it is weird. I am not that noob. Getting wood, that is easy shit, Minecraft. I heard a smoking creeper. Smoke off, okay. Oh, det var bare dirt, jo. Take dirty to my hands. 2 chains. You got chains, but I got silver. Hope that you meet the man's shirt like a donkey. Så hva synes jeg bare gjør med mine diamonds? I think I should make a diamond pickaxe. Oh my lord! Well, don't push me in that shit, please. Please. No! Not today. I need diamonds. Ooh, a mine? Let's see. Oh. What was that? Oh, goldings. Oh my god. You got chains, but I can silver. Hope that you meet the my shirt that I don't care. Wacht even. Dat is torch her. Weird. I'm going back. Me no like mines. Sudan! Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, girl. How do I get up? Oh, irons. I think I'm gonna leave this episode here. Nou, want jeg skal lage diamond pickaxe først. You got chain, but I got silver. Hope that you meet the master that I don't care. No, it was this way, I think. It is too long to be there. Oh man, I got 2 things. Why don't you go and tell two friends? Yeah, I'm so happy. You can hear it because my voice. Yeah, I'm that happy. You don't know how happy I am. I'm that happy that it is an Enderman right in front of me, I think. Hvor ble det denne Endermannen som er fighter egentlig? Jeg trodde virkelig jeg skulle dø der. Hvis jeg hadde hatt armoren mitt, hadde jeg dødd. Thank God, man. Thank God. Yeah, we always need to thank God. If you survive, it is because of God, I think. You get change, but I can silver. Hope that you meet the master that I don't care. I'm weird. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. Yeah, now what you gonna do? I'm a weirdo. Okay. You got change, but I got silver. We got it, Valer. United, we are stronger. Okay, hvor mye? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2 to you, 1 to you, 2 to you, 2 to you. I'm not being racist. Yeah. Jeg skal bone mile. Oh shit. Close the door. Yeah, okay. La oss spare. Oh, it is almost done. Please, yeah, please, yeah. You got change, but I can silver. Yeah, we can get some cows going on. Haha, we are pimping. My seeds. Where is my seeds? My seed is amazing. Give it a lick, yeah, pasu camping. Okay, cows. Now who wants to? Oh, I see you want to. I'm Sooty. Shitty cow. Okay, chickens. Okay, you. And then you. I'm Sooty, little shit. No, never escape. I think my episode is done here, Shins. And hi, Litla! Goodbye, Shins. Og plus, jeg liker ikke å drepe folk. Bare sånn, jeg har Hitler-skin. Jeg skal skifte sånn. Ok, ha det.